Slide a simple razor blade into your remote, and boom, goodbye batteries forever. Yes, this is the trick battery companies definitely don't want you to know. While everyone keeps buying new batteries, this genius just slipped a blade in there and fixed the issue like magic. No wires, no mess. Just pure creativity and a touch of madness. The irony? It works better than any long-lasting battery claim. Who would have thought the secret to endless power was hiding right in your shaving drawer?